Hello, this is Sharon Naraine. I'm coming to you here from the beautiful, beautiful Sunshine State. And folks, I know it's like 10:02 p.m. Monday night, all right? 10:02 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And folks, what I want to talk to you about, oh my gosh, is this amazing, amazing company and more so the product, okay? Now, let me ask you a simple question. Would you prefer to take care of your health regardless of the price? Or let me break it down this way. Would you prefer putting a price tag on your health? Will you do that? When it comes to your health, folks, would you put a price tag? Would you look at a price tag and decide if I want to do it or not? Folks, your answer should be there's no price tag should come between you and your health. Because let me say this to you, your health is your wealth. Folks, you can have a gazillion dollars, but if you do not have your good health, that gazillion dollar means nothing. Means nothing to me. I don't know about you, and I'm pretty sure you will think on this. Sleep on this, folks. Think of what I'm telling you. Now, here's the deal. Many of us, and I'm one of them, we are no longer spring chicken, you know what I'm saying? It's like, yes, I mean, we are getting there. So, which means we have to take care of our health. And folks, I just want to share with you with that. I went through hell and back, okay, with my family, with my dad passed away. Prior to that, my mom got a stroke, a massive stroke. She's alive though. Was on life supporting system for 8 days. Thank God she is here. I'm taking care of her. My dad got ill and he eventually passed away. My sister-in-law recently passed away. My husband with two strokes and then now he's on dialysis. Folks, you ask me where do I get the strength and the energy to go through emotionally more so and the strength in my body. Folks, let me say this to you. Regardless of all of that, you know what helped me apart from the good Lord? I am using a product. Yes, I am using a product and it's called this is the product, folks. Oh, look at this. All right, I don't know how it came. Does it show good to you? I'm not sure how it shows. But this is the product that really does help me. Did the number and is still doing. Giving me the energy, give me the boost, the stamina to endure. Okay, it is called TLC, the Iaso Tea. Okay, folks, now this is what helped me and helped so many thousands of people. So, folks, it says here, want to lose 5 pounds in 5 days? You can't do it until you brew it. That means a tea bag. You have like 5 IASO, the original pouches. Folks, this here lasts you for a month. It is for a month. And it is very, very cheap. You can't go any cheaper than this. I will drop my link. I want you to explore it. Go to my website, which is what's my website? Oh my goodness, I am having a senior now I'm looking, my husband is calling me that um, the food is ready. Okay, I will drop my link. First of all, I want you to hit the bell and then also click on the subscribe button. Okay, click on the subscribe button and this way the subscribe button will, you know, notify you when I am doing a video. Okay, so here's the deal. I mean, I want you to watch the video and go to this website, which is it's weight loss with Sharon.com, and that's WEIGHTLOSSWITHSharon.com. That's weight loss with Sharon.com, folks. There's no price tag when it comes to your health, folks. The ingredients in this, I mean, I want you to read it up for yourself. The things that this does for your body, you read it for yourself, folks. Again, this is Sharon Naraine coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State. And folks, I will be looking for, as a matter of fact, you can call me too, okay? 352-805-9846. 352-805-9846. Call me, text me as well. Take care, peace out, have a good night, and blessings, and let us take care of our health. Let us not put a price tag when it comes to our body and our health. Okay, cheers, long life, blessings, and have a good night. Bye for now.